Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to earn some extra cash from your home, you have probably come across Pinecone's research. But this is reality was your time in 2025? Let's dive into an honest review. What is Pinecone Research? Pinecone Research is a market research platform owned by Niles LGOIQ, a trusted leader in consumer insights. It allows members to participate in paid surveys and product testing, providing valuable feedback to companies deploying a new product. How it works? First, sign up. Pinecone Research operates on invitation-only basis. You can join through referral links or by finding open registrar periods. Step 2. Take surveys. Surveys are typically sent via email and can take up to 15 or 20 minutes to complete. Step 3. Earn points. Each completed survey rewards you with 100 points, equivalent to $3. Final step. Redeem rewards. Points can be redeemed for cash via PayPal, checks, or gift cards. The minimum payout is just 300 points, making it easy to cash out quickly. What is the pros? High payouts. Earn $3 per survey, which is above average compared to other survey platforms. Quick cash outs. With a low minimum payout threshold, you can redeem your earnings quickly. And the last one is product testing opportunities. Occasionally, members are invited to taste new products, providing a new chance to try items before they hit the market. What are the cons? Limited availability. Pinecone research is invites only, so it can be challenging to join. Inconsistent surveys frequency. Surveys invitation may not be frequent, leading to periods without opportunities. And the last one is point expiration. Points are valid for 1 year from the award's date. If unused, they will be expired and be removed from your account balance. User experience. Many users report a positive experience with Pinecone Research, praising the high payouts and straightforward process. However, some have expressed a concern about the points expiration and the limited numbers of survey available. What is my conclusion? Pinecone Research is a legitimate and reputable platform for earning extra income through surveys and product testing. While it may not provide a steady stream of opportunity, the high payouts and ease of cashing out make it a worthwhile option for those looking to supplement their income. That's it for today's review. If you are interested in joining Pinecone Research, keep an eye on for open registration periods or seek out the referral links. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more honest review and tips. See you in the next one.